National Day of China, Hong Kong, and Macau, and we are on a mission to see the fireworks. I'm currently in Tsim Sha Tsui trying to find a good spot to watch the fireworks, but it is slam packed with so many people, and we will go find a good spot. Let's go! So we have a great view over there. However, it seems like we won't be able to see any fireworks from this side because the buildings are blocking. The fireworks are on that side, but that's where all the crowd is. But we're gonna try to see if we can find a spot to watch the fireworks. Let's go. Alright, we're going through the crowd to find the best spot. Oh my gosh, there's so many people. And I'm vlogging, I'm holding my hand out here. It's not the best. Bumping into a lot of people right now. Smoking it up. The fireworks is over, all else is broken loose. Everyone is scrambling and going their own ways, and there's so many people. It is pure madness. Hey guys, so after watching the fireworks, I'm here to answer the most important question. Is it or is it not worth it? So you roughly get around 25 minutes of fireworks time and you're squeezed in between millions of people. Or at least what it seems like millions of people. And the final verdict is, for me, it is worth it. I think it is a lot of fun being out there, especially if you're someone who's never seen the fireworks in Hong Kong. It's fun to go out a little bit early, you know, be in the crowd, be in the atmosphere where everyone's just anticipating the fireworks. And once the fireworks goes off, everyone goes crazy, and it's just a great time. And if you're someone who has seen the fireworks in Hong Kong, I think it's just great to go back out there and, you know, celebrate and have fun with everyone else. Pro tip, if you guys do want to see the fireworks, be sure to go at least 4 hours in advance, get a good spot so, you know, you get that great shot when the fireworks do go off. And if you guys want to go home a little bit early, I think it'd be advisable, I think it'd be smart, because once the fireworks are gone, everyone is rushing to go to the MTR station. Everyone's rushing to get a taxi, which will be really hard to get a taxi if you're the last one out there. So if you want to go home, be sure to leave 5 minutes before, and it'll be a lot easier to get back to the MTR or taxi. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Michael Shu out. One comes around one today. They don't say things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have